Okay. This is a 1995 Nissan 240sx. This is Austin.
Hi.
We are going to try to crank it today. It does have a slight rod knock, but we're going to try to get it running and baby it to get everything happy and good and stuff. But anyway, the whole plan is to get it to crank. So, well, we're going to wash it, but we got to put the intercooler back on. Let's see. What else do we have to do?
Fuel cell?
Yeah, we got to like fabricate a fuel cell. When I say fabricate, I mean I'm going to rig one. It's going to be pretty ugly, but
it'll work.
As long as it works, that's fine. The battery's already charged. Well, what else?
Oil.
Oil. We're going to change the oil.
Did you say fuel? Oil.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuel. Intercooler.
Yeah, pop the intercooler back on. Probably won't put the exhaust back on. So we're gonna get this old girl going again. Yeah. So she's a little low. Luckily, our intercooler pipes have stayed covered. That's a beautiful thing. Wow. Look how low that is. That's frame. Anyway, it's full ISR suspension all the way around, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. Hopefully it's not too low that we can't push it, but I think it's sitting in these holes, really. Like where the blocks were.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right, well, let's try and push, I guess.
Okay. Not me. What is that?
Oh, I thought that was like a nest or something.
Everything together, you get crank. So that was somewhere solid where you can see everything going on.
Yeah. I agree. Like when it's almost like go time.
Yeah, literally. And time lapse it.
Oh, that would be cool. Yeah, 2 feet. We're awesome. I'm tired. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a chicken that got eaten.
Anyways.
Okay, no, we're getting there. Okay, got it moved. So now Austin's gonna work his cleaning magic while I try to, oh, that's terrible. Try to fabricate a fuel cell out of a gas can. Don't frickin' judge me. Yes, sir. Top mount turbo. Just kidding. This is a spare turbo. It's still bottom mount.
Oh, sad face.
Oh, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Dang, boy.
Oh, probably should pull the air filter off, right? Soak it.
Oh, yeah. All right, today on how to Sumter County engineer most anything, we're going to turn this gas canister into a fuel cell. Super ghetto. Anyway, here's a Walbro 255 fuel pump out of the existing tank. I'm going to get this in here. I don't know. This is going to be pretty messed up. Just bear with me. Okay, slight change of plans. I'm going to use this boat fuel tank because the Walbro will actually fit down in. So it's not going to need as much modification. I don't have to build like a hatch or something. So I'm going to go with this. Okay, so I've removed, there's like a spring and this little fitting in here. Kind of acts like a quick disconnect sort of thing for the fuel line on the boat. I've removed that. Now it is just whole. So this is going to be the return. And then I'm going to figure a way. I'm probably going to drill a hole in the cap to run the feed line out from here. And this is just going to lay in the tank. That's the plan. Okay, scratch that. I don't know what I was thinking about drilling a hole in here. I'm going to keep this loose because that's the vent for the tank. I'm going to drill a hole up here somewhere and feed the line for the pump in. Yep. And like I said, return here. Scram, this is for the video. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. I think that's primer into there anyway. We got to respray it. But man, it's looking good.
Yeah, it's looking super good. I didn't think it was going to come this way.
Me neither. But bang. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, big difference now.
Yeah, right. The wheels cleaned up way better than
Dude, almost had you. Yeah, the wheels look great. A little too far sunk in. We're gonna have to fix that. What's up?
Coming pretty clean.
All right, all right.
No more bird guts.
No more dead bird?
No more dead bird.
Aw. Oh, there it is. Son. All right, we are back from the Potter Parts store. He's gonna put on the intercooler and a battery. I'm gonna get the fuel tank, fuel cell wired up, you know, hooked up, whatever. We're gonna pop that in the back. Next thing I do, figure out which one of these lines is the feed for the fuel pump. Figure out which one of the fuel lines is a feed and a return and a vent. Geez, I don't know. Fire it up and see what happens, I guess. Alrighty, so this is going to be the feed. The pump's in there, wiring coming out to here. Then we're going to hook it into the electrical connection for the fuel pump in the car there. This is going to be the return, which I've already got this fitting hooked up and ready to go. Just got to thread it in there. And I already know what you're thinking. This is the most rigged up, stupidest, dumbest thing. You don't have to tell me. I know. This is stupid. Do not do this.
Why did nobody tell me this 14 had a ratchet on it?
I bet it doesn't work. Right, cheap ones. Oh, that one does.
She kind of works.
Like the 10 and 12 are broke.
Yeah, because they break so easy.
Austin's hooking up the drive shaft. We forgot about that. Look at this. ISR arms, coilers. We're legit. Welded diff. Yo.
Yeah, look at the wheels. Ready? Hey, hold on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Posi track. Hey. All right, let's do this. Batteries in. All right, so
Give me the feed first.
feed first. Oh, wait, I gotta get your clamps.
Any clamps?
Clamp. See. Oh God, power! We got power.
We got smoke, so I can hear that turning over.
Man, I got turn signals and everything. Oh goodness. All right.
Can you give me some
Dude, we got fans.
you have fans to work?
Yeah.
Can you give me some needle nose or something that I can grab on this hose hook to pull it up the line?
Heard. God, I wish I would have been recording a second earlier. Oh God.
You're like, I don't know.
Yeah, please don't call the cops. That was good.
That's not the one. Oh, why'd they go out?
Yeah, you are now
No
under
bolts.
power of the Austins. You ration out 80% of your eggs. You can keep 6 for yourself for the month.
12 volt. Bam. Nah, cuh. I don't even know if that pump's feeding.
I would say that's why I don't know.
Oh, put your ear in there and see if you hear it when I hit the power on.
Do it again? I don't know.
Hit the power for me, cause yeah, you should hear it.
Yeah, no. Which one, left?
Yeah, left one.
Nothing.
Wait. Oh, that was your. Oh, the power's on.
Yeah. Like, I'll do it again, ready?
Oh boy. Yeah, that's not working.
Yeah, pump's not on.
All right, we got battery, we got fuel tank with some fuel in it. We've got Intercooler's hooked up. Hooked the mass airflow back up. We took off because he was washing the vehicle. We have the coil packs disconnected. We're going to try to turn it over, get some of that oil pumping in there, which is crap oil. We're going to end up draining that out, but we just want to see if it will turn over. So I think it's time, right? This is a terrifying moment for me, by the way. We have no clutch. I've probably got to change the slave cylinder. Or
Oh, because I remember we were having issues with that. We had to pump it.
yeah. Well, and any time those slaves sit, I have to change them every time.
Really?
Total pain in the butt. But
It's not going to start right now. He's got everything on the hook. He's just trying to get oil.
screw it. Let's fire her up.
No, there he knows. That's power steering. The steering rack shot, so if power steering hooks up, it'll burn out the pump.
Yeah, we gotta get the rebuild the rack.
What don't you have plugged in here?
So on the very back end,
Uh-huh.
and it plugs in over there. Yeah, I'm gonna start cranking, and then you put it on there, and we'll see what happens.
Okay, heard.
All right.
Y'all win.
As soon as I start turning over,
Yep.
put power to it.
Heard.
What? 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 Okay. Oh, she fired right up. Woo! Yeah, boy. So,
What's squealing?
belts.
Belts? Okay.
All right, unplug that, and let's see how long it should start.
Oh my god, it's in gear. The drive shaft's turning.
Nah, it's not, but that'll, because like I can stop it with my foot.
Okay.
Hook the power back up real quick. Oh, no more pump. Do it again. We lost the pump. We must have fried it. Oh, the negative came off. Okay.
So good.
Yeah! That's.
I heard happy sounds.
Oh, that is a happy sound. Yo! Dude, you know what? I didn't hear like a crazy knock.
I didn't either. I didn't hear any knock. The only whine that I heard was the belts.
Right.
I
A
just
little squeak, squeak,
I don't know
squeak.
if that was dry cams or what whine. That's why.
It's been sitting so long too, so who knows? Yo.
Good shit. That was quick. Yeah, that was. That starter still works. That's crazy.
Dude, she's
fire
like,
it up.
yeah, let's go drift. Let's do it.
It's my favorite lawnmower.
That's what I heard.
Should be. It's not gonna be the same filter number, but it's gonna be close.
Swear to God, there better not be a spider in here.
Dang.
Cool. Oh, I didn't record it, but this was gummed up with shavings. I mean, it was terrible.
I got it open.
Horrible. That was a pain in the butt. Bush.
What is Okay.
All right.
Dude.
I almost heard you.
What are you doing, Herc?
Smelling all that dead dirt, I think.
Yeah, he does. He smells the bird, I'm sure. All right. This is now our fuel pump switch. Pressurized line. Power. We're not worrying about the fans. Let's see what we got. Okay.
beautiful things.
What are those?
Slave.
I
And
really don't want to know.
Sitting on rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me.